Welcome to BMC Helix Video Solutions. In this video, we will be seeing how to check the install version of nginx ingress controller for Helix IT operations management deployment. To review the install nginx ingress controller version, we would need to log into the controller node or any server which can connect to the Kubernetes cluster. So this is my server using which I will be interacting with the Kubernetes API. So we'll list out all the pods from the nginx ingress namespace. So by default, the nginx ingress, it is deployed in the ingress minus nginx namespace, but it is user choice where to get it installed. So I can see that all my nginx ingress pods are running under the ingress namespace, and these are all the pods. So there are multiple ways to identify the nginx ingress controller version. So we will be looking mainly two method to review the version. So first of all, let's list out the nginx ingress pod from the respective namespace and then describe one of the pod using the kubectl command. And let's grab image at the end. So this way user can review the nginx ingress controller deployed version. So here I can see it is 1.21. And there is another method using which we can just run the Kubernetes command to get the version. So we'll review that one as well. So here it is. So kubectl exec minus IT interactive and namespace, then pod name, and then I'm just passing the nginx flag to get the version. So this way also it will list out deployed nginx ingress controller version on your cluster. This concludes my video. Thank you for watching. Please refer to the official documentation for additional information.